Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to demonstrate how we can create a WLAN or SSID on Cisco wireless controller 9800L. Few years back, creating a new WLAN on a Cisco controller, it was a pretty simple and straightforward task. But with the introduction of this STA or DNA center enabled wireless controllers, you have to perform different steps, creating policies or tags to create a new WLAN or SSID. So I'll show you all the steps. So I have a controller in HA, two boxes are there. I've done the initial setup and HA configuration. If you want to have a, or you want to see how the initial setup and HA configuration, you can refer to my old video. I will share the link in the description also. So my topology is pretty simple. I have an core switch to which my controllers are connected. My access point is connected to access switch. I have a FortiGate firewall which is acting as a default gateway for all the VLANs and it is also acting as a DHCP server. My controller and access point are on different VLAN. So I have connected a new access point which is you can see discovered here on the controller and there is no configuration. So let's start. First we'll check the access point. So here is my access point. It got this IP 94.13 and my controller IP is this one. So both are on different VLAN. So let's start. First we will create a new WLAN. So I'll name it as test, SSID name test, status enable. Then I'll go to security, layer 2 WPA plus WPA2. I'll disable 802.1x, enable PSK. I'll give a simple password and apply to device. So if I show you, there is no SSID name test. Okay, I'm creating a new one from the scratch. So next step would be I'll have to create a policy. I'll go to configuration, policy, then I'll create a new policy. I name it as test, make it status enable. Then I'll go to access policy. Here in the access policy, we can define which VLAN will be attached to the your wireless LAN or SSID. So here already configured the VLAN, so I'll select wireless users and then apply. Next, I will go to AP join. AP join profile, I am going to use this default. Just you can create a new one, but make sure the country code is selected. If country code is not selected, then your access point will not broadcast your new WLAN. So just verify your country code should be selected. Either it is OM or US or anything, but it should be there. Okay, so next step I'll go to tags. Here I create a policy tag. In this under this policy tag, I will bind my WLAN and my policy profile. So it means my SSID is binded to the VLAN I'm going to use. Then apply. Then I'll go to site. I'll create a new site. Test AP join profile. I will use default one. But make sure I'm saying again, make sure your country code should be selected. Apply. Then in RF profile, I'll create a new. Name it as test also. We'll select typical client density for 5 gigahertz and typical client density for 2.4 gigahertz and then apply. So all the policies and tags are created now. Now I will go to my access point. Now we'll attach the policy here, site and RF profile and then apply. My access point went down. It will reboot. Here you can see the access point is down. It is rebooting. Now let's wait few seconds to fail rebooting. Let's wait. Now my SSID came up and you can see RF 2.4 gigahertz and 5 are also up. So let's see if I get the SSID. So yes, I have this SSID. Let's connect to it. It may disconnect my connection for some seconds. So let's connect and come back. Is this one? Oh, let's browse something. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, it's working. So now I'm connected to test. Let me shift back. Okay. So yeah, it's working and operational. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.